What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today's video, guys, I'm going to give you an update on my AMC trade for week 2. So let's get started. If you guys aren't familiar with my moves I did last week, I actually sold puts on AMC at a strike price of $18 just to kind of make it easy. I'll show you my spreadsheet because I did a lot of moves here. I was kind of being too greedy, so I did end up in the red this week. So if you look here, this was last week. I was actually up about 330 bucks. So with AMC, I sold a put, 28 contracts at $18, strike price 48 premium. I bought it back on Thursday when it broke 20, and I made $812. And then later on, I actually sold a put on Nikola, and I actually bought this back because Nikola was tanking, so I lost $83. But with AMC, I was being really greedy because once it passed $20, I thought it was going to stick around that price. So I sold more puts, same expiration date, 27 contracts, but at $19 strike price, giving me a premium of $46. I actually had to buy it back at an average cost of $88.33, which could have been worse. I'll show you the chart after I'm done with this. So I actually lost $11.43 on this here. I bought a call because I thought AMC would go back up faster than it did. I should have waited a little longer because it actually did go up, but I ended up losing 156 bucks. And then I bought 7 more calls expiring next week at an $18 strike price. I did make $42 off of this. I was going to wait and see what next week was going to go, but I didn't want it. If it stayed the same, I would lose so much money on this short term. So actually, when I did all this, I sold everything and I actually went into margin because I know Tesla did this last year, is going into earnings. So I did buy 1,000 shares of Tesla, average cost of $951.39. Obviously, Tesla has fallen a pretty good amount, so I am down on Tesla for the short term. I'm just going to swing trade this one. I was going to sell a covered call, but I didn't want to hold on to it during earnings or try to sell it before earnings just in case it shot up. So just with the play I did overall for the last 2 weeks, I'm down 200 bucks, not including the Tesla play. I'll add that in when I actually sell that out. So as you can see, Tesla is all the way down to $936. So I'm down like $1,500 with the Tesla right now. But like I said, Tesla bounces around pretty good overall. So if you look at the week, it was all the way up to 1,065. So if I can get, we'll say, into the 960s, I'll be pretty happy with that. And then I'll probably sell at anything 960. Or if pre-market it opens up pretty high, I probably would just get rid of it and take the profit. Next move I was actually looking at would be Riot. So if Riot stays in between the $14 range or lower, I'll probably sell covered calls on this for next week or the week after. It's selling a pretty decent one. If I did one today, it actually tanked aftermarket a little bit, so luckily I didn't do that today, but I would pick probably a $12 strike price. It still pays you a pretty decent premium for the amount of money you have, and it is about 80% profitability, chance of profit on there. So that would probably be my next play unless something else happens. But like I said, luckily I didn't hold on to AMC here, because if I did, this is when I sold it. It was around 1820s, and then it went all the way back down. So if I didn't sell it, if I kept it, I would be down probably about $3,000 or $4,000. But if you look here, guys, at one point today, I was all the way down $4,400, and I was already down earlier in that week. So I could have lost total amount. I started with $50,000. I could have lost about $5,250. So even though I'm down right now about $1,800, it's way better than how it looked, because this definitely could have kept on going down and down and down. And if I held on to the stocks and kept it at a $19, bought it at $19, and AMC is still going down, I would have probably been down about $3 or $4 grand right now. So overall, could have been worse, but I'm okay where I'm at now. Hopefully Tesla just pops off first day Monday, but we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know how you guys did this week. I'm pretty sure a lot of people in the red unless they are betting against the market. I'll do a video tomorrow on how my Webull account is, because that one I do have a couple of them against the market as well. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.